A Gmail folder is like a virtual filing cabinet where you can organize your emails. Instead of having all your emails in one big pile, you can sort them into different folders based on topics, projects, or anything else that makes sense to you. This helps you stay organized and find the emails you need quickly. Imagine your inbox as a messy room filled with papers scattered everywhere. It's hard to find what you need, right? That's where Gmail folders come in. Think of them as virtual filing cabinets. You can create folders for work, personal, bills, or any topic you can think of. To create a new folder, simply click the Create Label button and give it a name. Now, you can drag and drop emails into their respective folders. It's like putting books on the right shelves. You can also rename or delete folders as needed. With Gmail folders, you'll never lose an important email again. Your inbox will be clean, organized, and easy to navigate. Imagine your inbox is like a messy room. Emails are scattered everywhere, making it hard to find what you need. Wouldn't it be great if you could organize your emails into different rooms? That's where labels, or folders, come in. Labels are like virtual folders. You can create them to group emails based on topics, projects, or anything you want. To create a new label, click on the Labels icon. Then, click on Create Label. Give your label a descriptive name, like Work, Personal, or Travel. Now, select the emails you want to move. Click on the arrow next to the star icon and choose your new label. Voila! Your emails are now neatly organized in your new label. With labels, you can easily find the emails you need and keep your inbox clutter-free. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.